Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session on how to enter leave applications for employees. In this screen, you will be able to enter leave applications on behalf of the employees for various leave types as per the leave rules and entitlements defined. So, must ensure that the official details of the employees have been entered and leave entitlements and leave rules are entered for your school before you start entering the leave applications. So let us see the steps to enter the leave applications. Click on button MSTAR and select module HRM. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which indicates that you're now working in the HRM module. Click on the activities button and select screen leave application. Now, as the screen opens, we have to select the name of the employee for which we have to enter the leave application. For that, click on button find and a window list of employees will open. In the list of employees window, it displays the list of all the employees that we have entered in the application. Select a name of the employee. You can also search the name of the employee by entering the name below the box employee name. Once the employee is searched, double click on the name of the employee and it will display the details of the employee on the main screen. If the leave applications are already entered earlier, in the grid it will also show us the earlier or the previous leave applications. Otherwise, this grid will be blank. Now let us see how to enter a fresh leave application. To start with, first change the date applied. By default, this date is showing as a current date. This is the date of application of the leave. So we can change it and make it as per required date. It cannot be a future date. In the next field, enter the date from, that is the start date of the leaves. If we are entering a range of leaves, then date from is the start date of the leave application. So let us enter date from for the leave application. In the next field, we can enter the number of days for which the leave application is required. So let us enter 2, that is 2 days leave starting from 10th of September are required. And if we see, automatically it calculates the date 2 based on the number of days that we have entered. Now, there is another provision available in the screen. We can select the leave type if it is not a full day leave. So for that, click on the box next to within days and we see 4 values. 1 is the first half, which would mean that a half day is required in the first half of the day. By selecting first half, automatically the number of days appears to be 0.5, which is a half day. Similarly, for second half, it shows us the same thing, that is, it's a half day for the second half of the day. And the date 2 automatically changes as well. Then a third option is available to us for leave application, which is a short leave. Short leave is presumed to be for 2 hours and the days it calculates as 0.25. In this, 120 hours are taken assuming the total working hours in the day is 8 hours. So proportionately, 0.25 days are displayed. If this option has been selected, then it is important to enter time from for the leave application because we are taking a short leave within a day, so we have to also confirm at what time we are going to take this short leave. Once we enter time from in the field time from and click on the duration box, the time 2 automatically gets calculated based on 120 minutes of duration. We can change this duration as required if the short leave is a shorter or a longer period. So we can enter any other value in this, and the value can have maximum 3 characters and only numbers can be entered. So once we've entered a duration and click on time 2, automatically the time 2 will change based on the time from and the duration. Please remember that the duration of short leave cannot overlap across first half and second half of the day. It has to be within either first half or second half of the day as defined for the employee in the attendance rules for the selected day of the week. If you do not want to enter a short leave, then you can simply select none in the within days option. So For none, that is a normal leave application, let us enter the number of days. As shown earlier, we have entered number of days and click on the date to field. It automatically changes based on the number of days and date from. In the days field, you can enter maximum 3 characters and only numbers can be entered. This field is a mandatory requirement for saving the leave application. After this, enter the reason for leave, that is the description for the leave application. You can enter maximum 197 characters in this field and both text and number can be entered, and it is a mandatory field for saving the details in the screen. Now select the leave type, that is the type of leave for which the leave application has been applied. For this, you can also refer to the leave status. The leave status section is showing us the balance or the current balance of leave applications in the employee's account. In this case, this employee has 6 casual leaves, 64 half-pay leaves, 70 earned leaves. So, when we are selecting a leave type, we have to select any leave type amongst these. Let us post a leave application for casual leave. For that, click on the small round button against the casual leave and the button gets highlighted. It also highlights the casual leave section in the leave status section, which indicates that the casual leave balance will be adjusted. Once you have selected the leave type, it is also showing us the effective days. Effective days are also getting calculated based on the sandwich rule defined for the school. Once you have selected the type of the leave, click on the approved on and enter the date on which the application has been approved. After you've entered the approved on date, now you have to select whether the leave application has been approved. For that, click on the Find button against the text approved by, and the same window list of employees opens. Select or enter the name of the employee who is the approving authority for the employee leave application and double click on the name of the employee. The name of the employee appears in the field approved by. After we have done all these steps, click on the button Save and a data saving confirmation message appears. It is also giving us the leave application number. This is the total leave applications till now entered in the application. So click OK on the confirmation message. Once you have clicked on OK, you will see that the leave application that we just posted for the employee also gets added in the middle section as an approved leave. Now clear the screen to refresh the screen. Let us again check whether the leave application has been saved correctly. For that, click on the Find button and select the name of the employee for which we have just entered the leave application. Once you selected the employee name, it gives a message that for a particular date the leave application is already submitted and do we want to view it. We can click on yes and it will display the leave application that has been posted on the date applied, or we can click on no for us to select which leave application we want to check. So I'm clicking on no and it shows us the information of the employee and all the leave applications that has been posted. If you would also notice, earlier the casual leave account of the employee was 6 and now it is showing us 4. That is, 2 casual leaves have been deducted from the employee's casual leave account. In order to view a particular leave application, double click on the row of the leave application and it will populate all the details in the respective fields. You can check these details as required and confirm your data entry. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. Repeat these steps to enter the leave applications of other employees. Thank you for watching this video.